Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Passage number 59. Islamabad students from various universities on Monday staged a protest demonstration outside the Higher Education Commission against what they said a faulty online system and charging of full fee by universities. Full stop. The protesting students demanded the HEC bound the universities not to charge full fee during the closure of the universities and take only the tuition fee. Full stop. They said when universities were closed, there was no justification for asking the students to pay their hostel, lab, library, and transport fees. Full stop. They said thousands of students had been facing the internet connectivity issue in far-flung and hilly areas, but the HEC and universities were adamant to continue online classes. Full stop. New para. There is always a second option, but you don't have the will and sympathy to solve students' problems, Read a placard held by a student of Quaid-e-Azam University. Full stop. Don't play with our future, read another placard. Full stop. At a time when we are opposing online classes, universities are all set to take online examinations. Full stop. This step is unacceptable to us as in some areas students still have no power supply what to talk of internet connections, said Asad bin Azam, another protesting student. Full stop. Holding a placard, the students raised slogans in favor of their demands. Full stop. New para. They said the HEC should make internet connectivity accessible to all students. Full stop. They said on Monday in various cities, students simultaneously staged protest demonstrations against the HEC and universities. Full stop. HEC officials held a meeting with representatives of the students at the HEC headquarters and, according to the students, assured them that the commission would look into the genuine issues of the students. Full stop. New para. One of the students, who also attended the meeting, said HEC assured the students that their issues would be solved, but insisted that exams cannot be cancelled. Full stop. The road outside HEC remained closed for a few hours, while police were present on the spot to handle any untoward situation. Full stop. Recently, the students also staged a protest outside the HEC besides holding a press conference to raise their voices. Full stop. New para. After the earlier protest of the students, the HEC in a press release had stated, HEC has assured the students to solve problems being faced by some of them, regarding internet connectivity and quality of lectures in their online classes as well as subsequent examinations. Full stop. It said a few students gathered in front of HEC Secretariat Islamabad to raise their concerns. Full stop. They were told that HEC in contact with the vice chancellors to resolve all issues being faced by students. Full stop. They were, however, categorically informed that promoting students without examination was out of question. Full stop. It said students were told that the purpose of the whole activity of starting online classes was to save their semester, avoid disruption in the academic calendar, and let the learning process continue. Full stop. New paragraph. HEC has circulated prudential guidelines on exams in order to ensure that students' concerns are not ignored and every attempt is made to ensure quality of education, read the statement full stop. The HEC also said efforts were afoot to address some of the connectivity issues faced by students through collaboration with PTA and the telecoms full stop regarding their concern for fees being charged by the universities, students were told to inform the HEC about any specific issue that will be taken up with the respective university full stop. However, the protesting students claimed that despite their earlier protest and HEC's assurance, the issues remained unsolved full stop.